it's done, but it's... I mean, it doesn't say it's done, it still says it's downloading, but it's at the end. Come on. Be finished. UFO. Hi. Come on. It's taking its precious time. My word. I'm afraid it's gonna make, what do you call it, unnecessarily, worse. So let me switch Discord to my phone to get stress off the computer while I load what I have to load. Okay. Alright, so I'm out. I hope I'm out. Sometimes I'm out, and actually, no, I'm not. I'm still here. 私のこと好きですよね。私のこと好き。私は好きですか？好きですか？あんた。私はアイビーは好きですか？大好きですか？うん。あなたは本当に大好きですよね。私はあなたのです。いい？あなたのアイビー。ずっと。家に忘れないよ。絶対に。ね。Do you know what I said? I know a lot of you play games. You might know what I said. So you're like, why is it not finished? Finish! What doing? Yeah. My word. Have any connection? You're gonna have a connection. Why are there two? Why is it taking so long? Anyway. How many of you know what I just said? I'm very curious now. Super curious. Oh, my mouse and my key. DNS Windows is not working. DS4 Windows is not on. Now it is. Okay. Now I can load Minecraft. Oh. Minecraft. You know, Minecraft in Japanese is called Minecraft. Or pronounced Minecraft. The short version of it. It's super popular in Japan and in South Korea. It's so popular in Japan that they put the merch for the game in UFO catches. You find them in so many UFO catchers. I know outside of Japan they're called something else. What are they called? Crane game? Crane game. No, I don't hate them, and I do. I'm quite good at them. ID's very long. There's like none, no clue. I forgot. Psh. How about you, Vitaburger? Did you understand what I said? Or cat person who might have dropped off? Cat person! Okia! Laliha! I'll start singing! Minecraft. Alright. Okay, that's one. Okay. They're finally finished. Not a single word. Aw. I'll clip it. I'll clip